Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve permissions on the application of CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve permissions on the application of CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to CapCut and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.